You guys could have just planned like a picnic where we just sit around and look at each other and eat food, and I would have been so overjoyed.
And you guys are going gold class.
Oh yeah!
Oh, the crab shirt, yeah.
All right, here we are at the Great Barrier Reef. Oh man, look at this visibility. My Lord, down under diving Cairns. Woo!
I've loved diving since day one. Originally wanted to be a marine biologist and study sharks, and woke up one day and realized I don't care to be in a science lab. Became a dive instructor and study sharks on my own free time while I'm down there. Started in the Florida Keys, came to Australia and just did the whole hustle and bustle until I found a job in LA Beach, and the Whitsundays took care of me. Love being a dive instructor in Australia. Nothing better than the Great Barrier Reef, without a doubt.
I ran out of air twice as fast as everyone else because I couldn't stop getting so excited. We went down and all of a sudden the coral just started getting way more colorful, and we saw this huge turtle. It was bigger than me. It was so big. And we saw some cuttlefish, which were also like half the size of me.
Regulator, that's what we're going to be breathing out of.
Amazing viz, it's flat as, we've got glass out.
I kind of freaked out a little bit in the start.
Alrighty, let's get them in the water.
Take a nice big breath in and then look around at the reef. Let the reef mesmerise you. Take your mind off of it if you're feeling a little bit anxious.
Beautiful down there.
Alright, apart from that, you guys have fun.
You're up, when ready, buddy? When you're ready, looking down. Okay. Climb down that ladder again, yeah?
That was the first time I've ever dived. Yep, first time ever.
It's a little scary. I didn't expect it to be so scary, actually. But I know it's going to be worth it once I can finally master my breathing.
Yep. When you're ready, Taylor, eyes down. We're going to climb down that ladder, yeah? The instructor's right there. That's the way.
I've never thought of myself scuba diving. I don't know, in New York we don't really do that. I tried quite a few times, didn't quite get the hang of it, but afterward, like snorkeling around and just swimming like in the Great Barrier Reef, like how crazy is that?
Tell me how much you weigh.
How much do I weigh? 82 kilos.
82?
82, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Is that okay?
Good to know, yeah.
Why is that?
Oh, we're just going to go up in the chopper.
Oh, true. Nice.
Yeah, we're going in the chopper.
Yeah, boy. Oh mate, it was sick. Thank you Nautilus Aviation, it was unreal. We've seen some turtles, seen sharks, seen stingrays, seen fish.
Oh man, that food was so good too.
Come to our party and then you can swim and say, yay! We love it, we love it, we love it. Now we're swimming with the fishies.
day 2.
It's happening.
Who's got a guess?
Going to the airport.
I think there's gonna be a waterfall.
Getting it rickety wrecked.
I think we're going skydiving.